Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to customize font with iMovie. Anybody who uses iMovie knows that iMovie has some fonts, but it does not in any way have a wide variety of them. When I first started using iMovie, I was disappointed that these were the only fonts I could use, so I went on the internet and started searching for ways to get more fonts. After a few days of looking around, I found a website that worked. The website is called Textcraft.net. Its default font is Minecraft, but it does have a very wide variety of fonts to choose from. Once you've picked out the font you want, you go to push create. For this video, I'm going to just be choosing the Minecraft font because that's the kind I want. Once you've created the font that you want, you can also add subtext or smaller text underneath or to the side of it. I normally don't use this because it's too small and it's hard to see in a video. For this example, I'm going to be doing the word customize because it's the word that I'm going to be using in the thumbnail of this video. Once you've got the word or phrase you want, you push the download button to download it to your computer. At this point, it should have downloaded and you're able to exit out of this tab and go back to iMovie. I'm just going to be adding the picture to an earlier on clip of this video. You can put the text over a clip or a video of your choosing. You can find the word or phrase in your download section on your computer. As you can see here, I've used this a lot as I had to do over 200 days for my Minecraft video. Once you find your word or phrase, just drag it in on top of the original clip. When you first put it in, it'll be in a very weird format, but it's very easy to customize it any way you want. To do this, you first want to make sure that the text is the amount of length that you want it to be. Once you've done that, you can see that the background color of the text is transparent, but it's not the right size. In order to do this, you push crop it and then crop it to fit. This will make it so that the whole text is shown at once. Once you've done that, you tap on this button and then you set it to picture in picture. If for some reason it does not work and you're not able to set it to picture in picture, you could also set it to green or blue screen, in which case the background will immediately be cut out. The only problem with this is that you can't adjust the size of the text, so it would be better to just do picture in picture. The font will start pretty small, but it's very easy to adjust it to any size that you want. Once you've got the text however you want, you can adjust how it comes into the picture. For me, I like it to just appear instead of fade in, so in that case I would undo this part. Once you've done that, you're all done. You got your own customized font in iMovie. You can do this as many times as you want, but sometimes my computer doesn't like getting two fonts on the same clip. I also thought that since I just showed you how to do all of this, it would be a great time to show you something. If I just zoom in here, and then enhance the video, which is definitely a very real thing that people can do, you can see that only a small percent of people who actually watch my videos are subscribed. Please consider subscribing, it really helps me out and it's free. Before you click off this video, I'd also like to let you know that iMovie has a really cool feature called an undo button. While most other things have a very known undo button, iMovie's is hidden. The way to find it is you just push Command Z on your computer and you can push undo as many times as you want, as you can see I'm doing here. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.